Hello and a warm welcome to you. Today's recipe is this extra rich, tasty and flavorful Nigerian meat pie. If you'd like to know how I made it, then please keep on watching. I start off by preparing the meat pie filling. This I do by heating up the oil and then I add chopped onions and garlic. The garlic is optional, so feel free to leave it out if you want to. I go ahead and add the minced meat or grinded meat and cook until it loses its original pink color. Then I add the scotch bonnet pepper to taste and stir fry for a minute or so. Now it's time for the spices. I like to use thyme or oregano, curry powder, black pepper and seasoning powder or seasoning cubes. And then I stir fry for about 2 minutes. This way, the meat soaks up all the spices and has a better flavor and taste. I'll also be adding the chopped potatoes and carrots. I tend to add a bit more of these veggies because I have little ones in the house. So as usual, simply add the quantity you're comfortable with. I then add the salt to taste and hot water and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the veggies are tender. While this is cooking, I'll go ahead and prepare my slurry, which will serve as a binder for the meat pie filling. Some people add grated cheese or mash the potatoes to serve as binder, but adding the slurry is the way it's done traditionally. I'll now pour the mixture onto the pan and cook for about a minute or so that the filling doesn't taste so much like raw flour. We'll then set this aside and prepare the pastry dough. And now to the pastry dough. To my already measured out flour, I add the sugar, salt, baking powder and nutmeg. Then I add the cold butter or margarine and mix until crumbly. I then add the whisk egg and a little hot water and mix until I get a stiff dough. I then knead gently and form into a ball and leave to rest in the fridge for 20 minutes while I prepare the baking sheet, prepare the egg wash and preheat the oven. When this is all done, we'll now take out the dough and cut into 3 to 4 pieces. I take out one piece and roll it out flat about 2 mm thereabout. Then I use a round cutter or a bowl and cut out some circles. The size usually depends on how large or small I want my meat pies. Small for small pies and large for large pies. You know what I mean. I also brush on some of the egg wash I prepared earlier and fill up the pastry dough with the meat pie filling. Then I seal tightly with a fork and repeat the process for the remaining dough. When all the pies are done, I brush with the egg wash and make some vent holes on them. And finally, bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until the meat pies are golden brown. So now it's time for you to make yours, but before you go, thank you so much for watching and please give this video a like below and consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. Until next time, stay happy and blessed. Bye bye.